Today, we'll be making a rosemary and garlic focaccia. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. To a large bowl, add in 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons yeast, and 2 cups of lukewarm water. Then, mix it all together until a dough starts to form. Then add in 1 tablespoon olive oil and mix again. The dough will be quite sticky, so knead with your hand until it comes together. Then we'll cover our dough and let it rest for 30 minutes. After half an hour, we'll begin our first series of stretch and fold. Take one end of the dough and bring it to the other side. Rotate the bowl and continue until you've done all 4 sides of your dough. After the 4th fold, we'll let it rise for another 30 minutes and repeat the process. After our stretch and fold, we'll let it rest for again 30 minutes and then do another set of stretch and fold. After the 3rd fold, we'll let it rise for the 4th time, and in the meantime, we'll make our garlic confit. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and 30 garlic cloves. Add in some rosemary and we'll let this simmer for about 25 minutes until the garlics are soft. Now after the 4th rise, we'll move our dough into an oiled pan. Make sure the dough is coated in oil, so give it a good rub. We'll then stretch our dough so that it fits the pan. If it doesn't fit the corners, don't worry, we'll let it rest for 15 minutes and stretch it again. We'll see that it's much easier now. So then cover your dough and we'll use our final rise for about 45 minutes. After that last rise, we'll dimple our focaccia. Then coat the focaccia with your garlic confit. For additional toppings, I'm adding fresh oregano and rosemary. Then sprinkle with some coarse salt, and now we can bake. Bake at 450 for about 15 to 20 minutes. And there you have it, delicious rosemary and garlic focaccia. Enjoy!